Hey guys, welcome to an all new episode with Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at this all new translator.
Hola chicos, bienvenidos. Todo el nuevo episodio con conflictos de hoy se verá en este nuevo traductor.
What's up everybody and welcome to an all new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm super excited to show you the all new Zero by Timekettle. This here is the most affordable, super portable translator out there right now. And it literally connects to your phone in a blink of a second. Now, it literally translates a variety of different languages seamlessly without any issues. Now, in this episode here, we'll be trying it out and seeing what the whole hubbub is about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this here is our device and seamlessly it looks really cool. You know, you do see our little Zero standing right over there, and behind it you do see the microphone, which is kind of cool. Now this kind of just pops out just like this. Pretty interesting case, almost looks like a credit card. Does make a great transportable too. It's made out like a nice metallic feel, and it's actually got a nice sturdy feel as well. It's not like flimsy plastic. Now the way it works is quite simple. You just take your device, so this here is an Android S8, and it simply just clips into the bottom just like that, and you'll see that it just boots up the app without any issues. We'll click on this here again. So we got English and we got on Spanish Mexico, so you can go ahead and scroll through a variety of different languages. So just to kind of give you a few, we have Arabic in different accents, we have English in a different accent, so depending on which accent you have, you select that. Then you have Spanish, Hebrew, Hindi, Italian, Polish, Spanish again, more different Spanishes, Tamil, Thai, Turkish, and Vietnamese. So a variety of different things, just kind of give you an idea what that's all about. Now, besides that, you're just going to click on back here and then just hit play and it'll start translating whatever you say through that microphone. So what I do is I go ahead and click on which conversation I want. So our input will be English and our outcome will be Hindi. Now you can go ahead and click on this here. You can go ahead and change among a variety of different kind of languages. So you have a lot of different things you can go with. But to kind of give you an idea how it works, I'll just go ahead and click here and we'll go ahead and hit play. And let's say, hello, how are you?
मैं कहता हूँ नमस्ते, आप कैसे हैं?
So that's actually pretty interesting. If I click on the top right again, it'll go ahead and switch between the two. So for instance, आपका नाम क्या है?
What is your name?
So that's literally what I said. So that's pretty cool that you can do that. Now you can always go ahead and change the language. So go ahead and switch back to the English. And then we can search up different languages. For instance, we'll do Spanish. We'll do Spanish and we'll do Mexico. There we go. Okay. And then we'll just say same thing. We'll try this out. Okay, so I'll click back and then hit play. Hello, how are you?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
So literally spot on. Now I can go ahead and say different things as it constantly records.
Ahora mismo puedo seguir adelante y ver diferentes cosas a medida que se graban constantemente.
That is so awesome. So you have a lot of different things you do that in mode. So you can do translation mode. Now I have a meeting mode. So meeting mode allows you to go ahead and record in different areas. So if you have like someone on the front, side, left, right, and you can go ahead and have a meeting and record a conversation and play back it in different languages. Then you also have an interview mode. Essentially this allows you to go ahead and use it as a interviewee mic. So you can go ahead and record the person and then translate it using the app and input it in any which direction you want. So that is pretty cool stuff. Now besides that, it's a very simple, straightforward app. I really like the whole translation app feature of it. You have a lot of different languages. You can go ahead and interchange between different dialects. You can choose between like different kind of Englishes. So if you click on English here, you have different like accents. So you can pick up on all those different things. So that's actually kind of cool. And yeah, you know, literally the possibilities of this is quite endless and it's a great tool. Now, the only kicker is that it does require Wi-Fi. So for instance, if you do have 4G or LTE, you should be fine wherever you go. However, if you are traveling, you do need to have internet just to go ahead and keep it up to date. But they do offer, they have a nice cloud service, so it does connect with it quite well wherever you go. Now, other than that, it's actually very appealing to look at. It's very small, very slimmy. You can always go ahead and like just take it off just like this and then just put it wherever you want, or you can go ahead and even like include it into your case and it's actually very thin and looks very undistracting. Now, besides that, it's very simple to use, and yeah, touch bases into the future in terms of what the possibilities are. I really like the fact that they incorporated this and made translating into something a lot more easier. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit that thumbs down button twice. And with that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.